everyone, welcome to the Daily Life Project channel. My glasses out because we're gonna do some upgrading on the 4x4. Okay, got this cool little gadgets, so let me turn around the camera and let's get to it. Let's go. We have this old Landmeter, and what happened is that it's old and it doesn't really read properly. It's just too old school. And because now we got this nice radio, okay, here in the car, we want to upgrade that part as well. Okay, so I really took this out because this came already with the car, and now I'm seeing that someone, unfortunately, I'm hoping it's silicone or just an adhesive. Yeah, it's silicone. So okay, so it's not too bad, so it won't be bad. This is still working. This came loose. That was at the back here. Unfortunately, I wanted to keep it all intact because this is supposed to pop out, but it's not popping out. Must be from the sun, you know, too long. So this broke loose because I was going to give this away to whoever wanted it. Still got the sticker and everything, but anyways, it is what it is. So let me go get the new one and let's get to it. And ta-da! Yes, that's much cooler. I think it's going to stay very nice. Okay, right there, it's going to stay a nice cool modern touch, which will go nice with the radio that pops out. See, monitor the radio and monitor the Landmeter. Yes, that's going to be excellent. Beautiful. Okay, little things count, you know, in life. That's what it's all about. Okay, so this comes the Landmeter, which has the DC input right there. We got the support with the M8 thread, and we got a cable. So we already have a cable there. We're just going to cut this wire and use it, and we don't need this because we already got a cable running through, so we won't need this. I don't want to always be plugging this. That would be stupid. Okay, going on and off because we need that for other stuff. And yeah, it's quite cool. Comes with a little sticker. So I don't think there's holes in there, but because someone had already drew holes here, maybe I'll just put it here if I can. If I can, I'll put it over here and clean that silicone out of the plastic. Let's see. Gotta see how it goes, guys. I'm not sure. We've got to maintain the best look and quality of the dashboard possible, you know. Okie dokie, got everything here, so that's how it's gonna look. Okay, can't wait. Let's do it. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to hold it, the camera, film it while I'm doing it, because no one's here to help me today. So, okay, let's go. Sorry, guys. So, this is all done. Fell. Something fell here. Okay, now we're good. Yes, so I managed to do everything. Everything went well. Thank you, Jesus. And let me turn the camera over. Okay, so we got this all in place. Stayed very nice. Okay, got to clear out all the debris of the glue, but still just a little bit more over here, over there, as you can see. It's very hard to see, so I put like a black treatment. Now I'm just letting it like soak in. What I'm going to do is little by little I'm going to keep on taking this out with the special products for plastic. I don't want to use too much because this plastic is quite old, and I don't want to be like this is a little mark here that has also got old. See, also got a little bit of old glue here, but it's starting to come off. You see, the product that I put keeps on making it softer and softer, and then it just ends up coming with the finger. So that's what I'm waiting for it to happen right there. And I'll polish it up, and that's it. I'm going to get something here if I want to put something here. I'm going to use this one for now. And yes, very sturdy. Okay, very nice. And now I already got this right here in place. Zoom. What's going on with the zoom? And this is why I have to get a camera. I'm always saying I'm going to get a camera and then I end up never getting it, because I'm always waiting for a good deal. They are not cheap cameras. I don't think they've ever been, but yes. And if I'm going to invest, I got to invest properly. So I built all the wires already. Okay, so I couldn't use the other one because the other one was working with the lights, so I had to go and I went to the lighter, because like that, if anything happens, short circuit or whatever, it will just boot off the lighter and nothing else in the car will switch off. And now we put the ashtray back in, and I don't need the screw. Coins always rattling. And now in place, working. Okay, and now we will just insert this over here. Oh, come on, it's always falling. Okay, that came in handy to put that. Okay, so put this nut right here first, like that. And now we just, let me see if there's any type of ink. Okay, buttons up. And in place. There you go. Okay, and now we just tighten a little bit to have a little bit of leverage, not too much. Okie dokie, look at that. Okay, now we want this straight as possible, so let me see. I'd have to click up and put it down like that. Then it can go like this. Okay. Okie dokie. Excellento. Okay. That's exactly what we want. Okay, we want it to be like this. So let me just tighten it up. Sorry guys. Okie dokie. Yes, got it in place. And now we're just going to put the plug in, which I can't see now from the other side. Of course. Let me see. Use the YouTube channel to see what's going on. Okay. Yes, there we go. That's it right there. Okay, and there we go. It is in place. And now we get this cable. We'll just leave a little bit of cable. It's got a lot of cable. We don't have to. So we'll just put it like, oh, that looks nice. Can we put it facing downwards? It should look nice like that. Yes, there you go. The cable more in. Oh, how cool is that? Now that looks nice. See? Look at that, guys. Now there's a lot of functions. If you press here, you can make it go darker, lighter. Or if you press for 5 seconds on the left side, you can choose urban mode, or you can choose off-road mode. Okay, because I'm going to do more urban. Then you can have the 12 volts if you want it showing. What? Why is it changing? Oh, that's weird. Let me see the manual. So why must I change the voltage? Maybe to adjust. I did think it was quite strange, but I don't know what the voltage is. There you go. E. Motorcycle battery voltage monitoring display area, showing the current battery voltage value. Okay, but why am I changing it? I don't know why. Maybe it wants you to like take a value of the battery and then to get close. Not sure. I'll have to figure that out. So this is for the beep to go on and off, and the beep will go on once it's too inclined. So if you set it to an inclination and you don't want to go further than that value, it will beep. Annoying because you're driving, you don't want to hear it, so you can switch it off. And that's, I don't know what that is. I think it's the version of the software. Yes. And over mode. Okay, and then you press here for 5 seconds and it saves. There you go. And now this, you press once and it resets, you see. So no matter how you have it in the beginning, it can all be like tilted and everything, but it has a gyroscope, so it will always reset it and go level it again. Okay. I'll have to see that. I don't know. Let me see the voltage if it measures. It should already measure the battery voltage, but I'm gonna go fetch a multimeter. Oh, okay. Yes, it did. It changed. Okay. Okay, that's cool. And now when it's off, it's the value. So I'm going to take a multimeter and measure, but it's changing. Okay, I'll have to see what's going on with that, guys. Anyways, so as soon as it starts inclining, I'll have to just unscrew the screw here, tighten this and tighten this nut so that I can swerve. Okay, as you can see, so if it's had like see, now that's very good. It actually is working very well. I tested it, and yes, it should be beeping already. Okay, as soon as it gets to that yellow red, it starts beeping. Okay, so that's how it works. Quite cool. So if it's like this, you see, like all inclined, can just press once and 0. Okay, so yes, the old one was this one. Where are you? On my lap. Look at that. See, what a difference. All modern. Let me open up the radio, see how it stays all together here. Wow, check that out, guys. Now that's looking good. Oh, I forgot to put the watch in place. Silly. Okay. What is this? What? Pieces of paper. That's how old school it is, guys. Let me see if it's got more piece of paper here. Nope. All good to go. Yes. Look at that. Now that is looking fine. Cool. Okay, so yes, very nice. So this only cost all tighten up, all nice. This only cost $20. Okay, AliExpress, you can buy it there. Very easy to install. I didn't take the sticker plastic out because I don't want to stick out on the plastic, so we don't have a problem again with the plastic and stickers. Okay, so yes, very cool. Very happy with that. Okay, and so with this I'm going to wrap it up, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this cool, very cool video. And like always, let's get this plastic off for you guys. So on the Instagram I thought this plastic wasn't going to come off, but now on the YouTube channel, there you go. Wow, even more shiny. Now you can see it much better. Yes, let's go. Okie dokie, so got this rubber mat thingy, and very nice to put the phone down, you see, just like that. See, yes, working great. And that's all I was going to show. Okay, let's get going. And if you switch it on to the cigarette lighter, it's also got an on and off button. Okay, so you can switch it on and off. There you go. That's what I did. You don't have to. You can switch it on with the key of the car if you want to. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Yes, so beautiful weather, beautiful time, beautiful life. Let's enjoy every day. And I'm still not quite sure what I'm going to do on the next video. Okay, so stay tuned to find out, because so am I. Okay, see you on the next one with this, and I'm out. Oh, God bless. And I'm out.
It's the vacation. It's scary.
Coitadinha.